Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Teemill website builder tutorial. The first thing you'll need to do is create an account on Teemill. You can do this for completely free as it is one of the best print-on-demand platforms. Once you have created your account, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you can select website. It is the third option from the top left-hand corner. Then you can tap on pages. After selecting pages, you'll see the home page. You can tap on that and you can edit your home page. At the moment, this is how it looks, so you can get a preview of how it will look on mobile and also how it will look on desktop. Now to start editing, it is quite straightforward. All you need to do is scroll down, tap on the section that you like to edit. So let's say we would like to change the background image. You can do that. You can select add slide right there and you could add another image. Then you can tap on the pencil icon. After doing that, you can tap on upload and you could select upload and you could upload an image. So let's say for example sake we were to upload this image. We can tap on open and you can see the image is being added. Once the image has been added, it automatically will be added to the page. So we'll tap on done. Then you can also add a different image right here. So we could tap here and we could add a different image, or we can delete that image at the moment. Then tap on done and you can see the background image has changed. Now to continue editing, you can scroll down and you can change each section. So you could switch the images here or you could choose to remove them. If you would like to add a section, you'll tap on the plus and you can choose to add a slideshow, banner, feature, either or any one of these options better yet. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on save, I want you to go back to your main dashboard. So you can tap on Teemill once more, then select website, then you will tap on pages. After selecting pages, you could tap on new to create a new page. Whether you like to create a blank page, a short page, a long page, an about page, or whether you like to create a news page, you can do that. You can also tap on website and from there you could edit your collections. By tapping on collections, you could tap on new collection and you can add products to your new collection and give the collection a name in the top right hand corner. Once you're finished doing that, you'll tap on save. You can also add a blog. By tapping on blog, you could tap on new and you could type out your first blog on Teemill and then publish it. If we should tap on website once more, you can also edit your menu option so you can see the different pages that are currently on our menu. If you would like to add a page, you will tap on the plus and you can type in the text and then add the link. If we were to tap on website once more, you can also add your logo. So you could tap on logo and you could add a logo and a favicon to your website. Once you're finished, all you need to do now is tap on the link in the top right hand corner and you can preview your website. If you would like to edit the URL, you'll tap on edit. From here, you can tap on store name and URL and you could change the URL or store name right there. You can also set up two-factor authentication. You can also scroll down and you can add different features. You can change your password, you can change your store demographic and so much more. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.